More than 2,300 years ago, a Greek philosopher told a story about a powerful island civilization that vanished beneath the sea. According to the account, Atlantis was wealthy, technologically advanced, and unlike any society of its time. Then, in a single day and night of catastrophe, it disappeared forever. Since then, explorers, historians, and treasure hunters have searched for evidence of this lost world. But was Atlantis a real place, or simply a warning disguised as a story? The story of Atlantis first appeared in the writings of the ancient Greek philosopher Plato around 360 BCE. In two of his dialogues, he described a powerful island nation located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, known today as the Strait of Gibraltar. According to Plato, Atlantis possessed enormous wealth, impressive architecture, and a powerful navy that dominated much of the known world. Plato described Atlantis as a remarkable city built with concentric rings of land and water. Grand temples, canals, harbors, and palaces filled the landscape. The island was said to contain fertile farmland, abundant natural resources, and a population that prospered through trade and engineering. If such a place existed, it would have been one of the most advanced civilizations of the ancient world. According to Plato, Atlantis eventually became corrupted by greed and power. Then came disaster. Violent earthquakes and floods struck the island. In a single day and night, the civilization vanished beneath the sea. The destruction was so complete that nothing remained except a story passed down through generations. While many scholars consider Atlantis a fictional tale, some believe Plato may have drawn inspiration from real historical events. One possibility is the ancient Minoan civilization, which flourished on the island of Crete thousands of years ago. The Minoans built sophisticated cities, engaged in international trade, and developed advanced engineering long before many neighboring societies. Around 1600 BCE, a massive volcanic eruption occurred on the nearby island of Thera, now known as Santorini. The explosion was one of the largest in recorded human history. Tsunamis and environmental devastation spread across the region. Some researchers suggest that memories of this catastrophe may have evolved into the legend of Atlantis. For centuries, explorers have searched for Atlantis across the globe. Proposed locations have included the Mediterranean Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, Antarctica, and even the Caribbean. Expeditions have investigated underwater ruins, unusual geological formations, and ancient legends. Yet none have produced definitive evidence of Plato's lost civilization. The enduring fascination with Atlantis goes beyond the possibility of a lost city. Atlantis represents humanity's curiosity about forgotten civilizations and unanswered questions. It reminds us that much of the ancient world remains undiscovered beneath forests, deserts, and oceans. Today, most historians believe Atlantis was not intended as a literal place. Instead, they argue that Plato created the story as a philosophical lesson about power, morality, and the consequences of arrogance. Whether real or fictional, Atlantis has become one of history's most influential legends. More than 2 millennia after Plato first described Atlantis, the mystery remains unsolved. No confirmed ruins have been found. No definitive proof has emerged. Yet the legend continues to inspire exploration, research, and imagination. Perhaps Atlantis was a real civilization lost to time. Or perhaps its greatest value lies not in what it was, but in the questions it encourages us to ask about history itself.